Every learning is a brand. Huh? Every learning is a bloody brand. Okay, it's a bloody brand. And from all those learnings, I'm going to pick few and share it with you. So you all have a dream and you want to fulfill that dream, right? And you have just kind of walked into this business thinking that this business is going to help me fulfill those dreams of mine. Agreed? Now, I'm going to talk about if you really want to fulfill that dream and you're serious about it, then it cannot happen unless what you walked in, that needs to be built strongest. If you don't build that strong, what you have walked into, your dreams are not going to come true. Are you getting what I'm saying? It cannot come true unless you build that strong. Now, what I have experienced with most of them is a lot of people walk into this business because they want to earn money. पैसा चाहिए, पैसा. क्या चाहिए? Paisa. Everybody wants to earn a lot of money. Of course, everybody wants to earn a lot of money. Who doesn't want to earn money? Imagine you walking into this business, पैसा निकालना है मुझे बस. मेरे को बहुत पैसा खींचने का इधर से. Which upline would want to have a downline like this जो सिर्फ इधर लूटने के लिए आएगा? नहीं, right? Same intention, same thought. Now, if you don't change that thought and say money will follow if I build the business strong, if you don't change that, forget about what you experienced yesterday. It will only be a feeling with your tears. It will never become reality. Am I making sense to you? It will never become reality unless you build this strong. And to build strong, no? If you have to build strong, you know you started off the business because you want to fulfill your dream. The step you have already taken. Then don't keep worrying about paisa kab aayega, paisa kaise kamao, paisa kyun nahi aa raha hai, paisa. You can't be thinking like this. Paisa nahi hai to main low feel karta hu, paisa rahega to main bahut. Obviously you walked in because you want to earn money, then you have to build strong, money will follow you. Money will automatically follow you. So I am here to tell you what is the objective of this business. This business ka objective is not only earning money. I don't know who you are, but मैं भी वहाँ बैठा था. I was also sitting there one day. बहुत सपने थे, पता नहीं कैसे होगा. Challenges थे. ऐसे करके अब मैं भी बैठा था और किसी ने मुझे बताया, I took it, my life has changed. So everybody who comes here is trying to give you that. This is your first event, most of them. If you ensure that you take this branded stuff, don't lock it like a mediocre, okay? Don't go and lock it in the cupboard. बहुत branded है, ज़्यादा नहीं use करने का इसको. Cupboard में lock करके रख देने का. Don't do that. इसको जितना use करोगे ना, जितना use करोगे, these learnings will ensure they make you a brand. And then you get a tagline. You know, there is this tagline that you get. Like, I don't know where this came from. Every time people call me, they say, the lady with the mirror. कहाँ से tagline आ गया पता नहीं मेरे साथ. You know, जैसे brand आता ना सा. So everybody has got something. You know, they get this. You become a brand. And then you say, आपके पास कितने branded stuff है? ये learnings ही branded है यार. जो आ रही है तुम्हारे पास, whatever is coming to, this is branded. Don't let this learning go. Are you with me? You have to qualify people. How much do they want to do something? Just they having money, उनके पास सिर्फ पैसा है and time है. Do you think they are ready? They also need to have a reason to do something. At times, for earning our check, sometimes just check with yourself. Am I just not checking whether he has a reason? Does he also want to do something? Does he really have some desire to do? Is he open to do something? या फिर मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ऐसा उसको कोई रीजन नहीं है, ओ मेरे को पूछ रहा है क्या करूँ क्या करूँ क्या करूँ, एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस हिम तेरी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. इफ यू टेल हिम लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी, उसको नहीं लग रहा है ना. सो तुम्हारे सिस्टम में देयर इज वन गाय वॉकिंग इन, आपका एक दो चेक तो निकल जाएगा, बट भाई वो याद है ना, सिस्टम बिल्ड करना है हमको. इट इज नॉट अबाउट अर्निंग 1 or 2 checks, इट्स अबाउट बिल्डिंग द सिस्टम. आर यू विथ मी? When, if let's say this business project says that you work for a couple of years, maybe whatever years, build the system, and you will consistently getting weekly 2 lakhs. Okay? You build the system, you get weekly 2 lakhs. Is it a good business? ये धासु business है यार. Zindagi bhar weekly 2 lakhs if you build the system. It's a dhasu business. Yes or no? Think about it. It is still a dhasu business. 8 lakhs a month. I mean, I'm going to come and talk to you, look into my eyes and tell me, 8 lakh mahine ka. And aapne system build kiya, you're redundant, you're not doing anything. 8 lakh aapke account mein aayega. Is it a good business or not? It's a bloody good business. Don't give me this कि नहीं नहीं हमको करोड़ ही चाहिए, 8 लाख महीने का मिलेगा ना तो भी बड़े. इट इज अ ब्लडी बिग बिजनेस एंड ग्रेट बिजनेस. बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस है. जो ड्रीम तुमने कल देखा था ना, महीने का 8 लाख अगर कमाओगे, वो ड्रीम नहीं फुलफिल होगा? होगा यार, होगा. इट्स नॉट दैट. सो अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज नॉट अबाउट crores, इट्स अबाउट बिल्डिंग सिस्टम. समझ आ रही है मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? इट्स अबाउट सिस्टम बिल्ड करना है यार. दैट इज द biggest thing about the business. It is not karodo. If I build it consistently, I will earn even if I'm not working. That is a business. That is what is a business. It is not bahut paisa. The point I'm making is, change this thought. People who are more successful than you, people who came and who spoke to you, the whole thing about I have built something strong is a bigger kick than saying मेरे पास German गाड़ी है. You getting me? Are you with me? The day you can sit on the pot also with a posture, no? You understand what I'm saying? The day you can sit on the pot also with a posture, no? मैं पॉटी कर रहा हूँ, उस दिन तुमने कुछ बिल्ड किया है. अगर आपको हमेशा जर्मन गाड़ी की चाबी लगती है, इफ यू ऑलवेज नीड अ जर्मन गाड़ी की चाबी टेबल पे रखूंगा तो चलेगा, अगर मेरे पास ब्रांडेड रहेगा तो चलेगा, तो आप कब चलोगे? So if you build the system strong, then the entire system is you have built, you have put पसीना डाला इसमें, क्या बोलते हैं वो, ब्लड, सोल, स्वेट, हार्ट, सब कुछ डाल दिया, तब तुमने बिल्ड किया, तब पॉस्चर आता है. तब तुम ना, you will walk into some foreign country, फिर भी ऐसा वॉक करोगे ना, मैंने बिल्ड किया. You getting my point? Not out of arrogance, not out of arrogance, it's out of posture. It's posture, it's not arrogance. If you have built it, so you don't walk with posture because you have money in the account. You walk with posture because you have built something. Each one of you might just be, I mean, I don't know what time that you have spent in this business, 1 month, 1 year, whatever time. Each one of you is an ambassador who's walking. You represent this industry, you represent this company, you represent the team, you represent the system, You represent. Because there are few people having only one thought कि मुझे ना अपना पैसा निकालना है, is why the entire industry का नाम खराब हो रहा है. हमने तो कभी नहीं सिखाया ऐसे, हमने तो नहीं बोला ऐसे. We have said अगर people walk in and say ये लो पैसा, प्रोडक्ट नहीं होगा तो चलेगा, ये लो पैसा, प्लीज डोंट साइन अप सच पीपल. बोला है कि नहीं? Sign up only those people who are ready to work. They want to do something. If they just walk in with money and say पैसा ले मैं काम नहीं करूंगा, तो sign up करना चाहिए. Can we be loud because this can go on YouTube? Do we sign up people like this? Yeah. We only look for like-minded people. Like-minded people means people who want to do something and looking for a platform जहां पे वो मेहनत करके साथ में मिलके अपने ड्रीम्स फुलफिल कर सकते हैं. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर लाइक माइंडेड पीपल. कोई भी नहीं चलता है हमको भी. एनीबॉडी इज ओके नहीं. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर लाइक माइंडेड पीपल हु वर्क टुगेदर एज अ टीम. Put a lot of hard work, learn from seniors who are uplines. They will tell us with all their experience what is right, what is wrong. Work on themselves, work on the business, set up a system. That system will work and that's how money comes. Simple, correct? It's not the big money, it's the only objective, which is a kick-ass objective. What is it? It's called as a kick-ass objective of this business is setting up a system, nothing else. Money is a byproduct. How do you set up a system? Now, what is setting up system? मैं बार बार बोले जा रही हूँ ना, मैं setting up a system, setting. The system is set when the people in your team learn how to build the business. When they know everything, they know how to build it, is when it is set. Then even if you walk out, they know everything. That is when it is set, right? Simple. Isme kuch complication, any complication in this understanding? Unless they learn. To have them learn, you have to learn. If I don't tell you what you need to know, how are you going to be successful? You explain it to me. You explain to me, how are you going to be successful? You don't want to listen. How are you going to be successful? Talk to them, do that one-on-one session, but don't stop telling them what they need to know, because you don't tell them, nobody is going to tell them. So to build strong, you got to build strong people. If you want to build strong system, you got to build strong people. You want to build strong people, you got to do and tell them things that they need to know, not what they want to know. Do you understand the difference? Not what they want to know, what they need to know. That's how you can. And it starts with small steps. Everything that you do from the moment somebody walks into the business. I'll just leave you with one small story. I'm sure you must have heard this story multiple times from your uplines, but this story will make sense at this moment. So there were two rocks. Have you heard about the story about two rocks? No or yes? Oh, brilliant. So there were two rocks. These two rocks were best friends and they were on the mountain. And these two rocks were so close to each other, they never wanted to get apart from each other. One day, one truck came and took away one rock. Rock समझते हो? पहाड़ पे से ये rock लेके चला गया. And they were feeling so bad. The other rock was feeling sad. Another day, another truck came and took away the other rock. And after ages, both these rocks met each other. One rock turned out to be the stairs of a temple. The other rock turned out to be the idol in the temple. The story is, now the rock which is the staircase felt very bad. First they were very happy, और हम वापस मिल गए, wow, ये हम साथ में हैं. But after some time when the temple was inaugurated, the stairs, the rock which was made, became the stairs, was very upset. He said, everybody walks on me and goes and bows down in front of you. ऐसा मैंने क्या नहीं किया यार, ऐसे मैंने क्या कर दिया यार कि सब मेरे पे चढ़ के जाते हैं और तेरे सामने झुकते हैं. So the rock, the idol said, you know what? When the guy was trying to chisel you, you were so stubborn. तू अपने आप पे तरसने के लिए तैयार नहीं था. You were not ready to get chiseled. So he made you a stairs. I was ready to get chiseled. And so he made an idol out of me. So if you want to build strong, become that rock that can get chiseled. Let your uplines chisel you. And you become strong to build strong. God bless you guys. Thank you so much.